Hey everybody, my name is Brittany Willis, and today I'm going to talk to you about what makes Earth a habitable planet. Alright, first off, we have Earth's magnetic field. This is what helps us to keep our atmosphere, and this is of course important because it helps to protect us from the harmful rays of the sun, and it also protects us from solar winds. Whenever they hit our Earth's magnetic field, it reflects off and kind of makes an encompassing shield around our planet. It also protects us from the solar bodies that are in outer space, such as asteroids and comets. And then there's the idea of plate tectonics, which allows us to keep the magnetic field that we have. And we have plate tectonics due to the liquid outer core that our Earth has, and due to this rotation of the heating and cooling that occurs in the astrosphere, we're able to retain the magnetic field that we have here on Earth. Then there is the mass and temperature that we have on this planet that allows for us to keep and have this atmosphere. And our surface temperatures are just cool enough to where we're able to hold on to the important molecules that we need, such as nitrogen and oxygen, so that we can breathe and everything. We all know we want to do that. And then it is also just the right distance from the sun to where it's not too hot that we don't retain our molecules like we do, and also that it's not too cold to where things are freezing over, and that would throw all the molecules off the balance as well. And then we're able to retain just enough of the carbon dioxide that we're able to have the greenhouse effect that we do. And this, of course, allows Earth to stay above the freezing temperatures. Then there is the Earth cycles, such as the water cycle, which allows for the rain and everything that we need to be able to grow our crops and then to have water to drink and things like that. And then there's also the rock cycle, which, as we learned about with the breakdown of rocks and everything, it allows us to have that soil and things that we need to be able to grow crops and have food. So that is all I have for today. I am sure I forgot something, but I did my best. Y'all have a great day.